crack the code on making the most delicious chicken chow mein. I'll share with you all the tips and tricks and common mistakes to avoid.
This is better than takeout every single time. Just give it a try.
Here we have some sliced chicken breast. Avoid stir-frying it directly. Here's how to make it extra tender and juicy. In a mixing bowl, place the chicken breast inside. Marinate it with salt, white pepper. Rice wine helps to remove the gamey taste of the chicken. Both the egg white and cornstarch help to tenderize meat. It's also called velveting. Add the egg white, cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix together. Marinate it for about 15 minutes. It works like a charm, you'll see. People often ask me, where do I get the chow mein noodles? They are available in most Chinese supermarkets. You can also replace them with other types of noodles or pasta. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Add the chow mein noodles inside. And cook for about 20 seconds until al dente. Avoid overcooking the noodles. They will break easily when stir-frying it. Rinse the noodles with cold water to stop cooking. Drain. So many people are asking this question. What is the difference between chow mein noodles and lo mein noodles? The chow mein noodles are thinner and much chewier, and the lo mein noodles are thicker. To make the sauce, mix together the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, water, and white pepper. In a wok over high heat, add about 2 tablespoons of oil and place the chicken inside. Stir-fry the chicken for about 4 minutes until completely cooked through. Add the garlic and cook it for about 10 seconds. Remove. In the same wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, followed by the onion, snap peas, CiCi mushrooms, and carrot. Stir-fry until aromatic for about a minute. Remove. In the same wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the chow mein noodles inside. Stir-fry for about 1 minute. Return the chicken, vegetables and mushrooms, and sauce. Mix everything together. Lastly, add the bean sprouts and scallions. This chow mein is 100% better than takeout. It's healthier and tastier, and more importantly, it allows you to spend quality time with your friends and family while making it.
It is so delicious. I just love it. So good. If you like to make chicken lo mein, check out the link right here. Comment below and let me know what did I do to the chicken to make it extra tender and juicy. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipe. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Would you like to watch exclusive behind-the-scenes content? Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy-to-follow Asian recipes. Thank you for being awesome.